Hi, Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. In this video, you will learn how to build effective body paragraphs. Before you can start writing an effective body paragraph, you need to know what a body paragraph is. So, what is a body paragraph? Body paragraphs are units of text that offer supporting evidence to back up the thesis statement of an essay, report, or story. A good body paragraph contains three main sections: a topic sentence or key sentence, relevant supporting sentences, and a concluding or transition sentence. This structure will keep your paragraph focused on the main idea by providing clear and concise information. And now we're going to look at the components of a body paragraph. A good paragraph should have a basic structure with three main components. So what are the three components of a body paragraph? The first component is a topic sentence. A topic sentence or key sentence is always the first sentence of your paragraph that prepares your audience for the information to come. Each body paragraph should have its own topic sentence outlining the ensuing ideas. The second component of a body paragraph is the supporting sentences. Body paragraphs contain information that allows you to back up your claims with supporting points, examples, research, statistics, studies, and text citations. After the topic sentence, the rest of the paragraph should contain supporting sentences that further back up your main idea. You should fill the main body of the essay with a mixture of substance and analysis. Therefore, you must support the main points of your analysis with textual evidence taken from both primary and secondary sources. And the last component of a body paragraph is a concluding sentence. Even if it's not at the end of your essay, a concluding sentence can refer to the last line of its own paragraph, which actually concludes a particular idea or train of thought before moving on to start a new line for the next paragraph. And at the end of each paragraph, you need to briefly summarize the information you mentioned before moving on to the next section. Moving on to the next slide, we'll look at the paragraph content and organization by using the 3 E's formula. Your topic sentence identifies the main idea of your paragraph, but then you must support that idea. So what you can do is to use the 3 E's formula to ensure the effectiveness of your body paragraphs. So what are the 3 E's? The first E is evidence. It could be facts, details, statistics, or quotes that you can include in your body paragraph. The second E is examples. It could be real-life example or hypothetical or typical examples. And the last but not least, the third E is the explanation. No matter how compelling your evidence is, it still needs to be explained. Why is this evidence important? How does this evidence prove the point you're trying to make in this paragraph or your paper as a whole? Answering this question in at least 2 to 3 sentences will actually strengthen your paragraph and your overall argument. And now let's take a look at the hamburger model of paragraph writing. Did you know that writing a paragraph is a lot like a hamburger? So now let's find out how we can write an effective body paragraph using the hamburger model. In this hamburger model for writing, each piece of the burger represents a different part or a different component of a well-written paragraph. As you can see, the top bun is the introduction or the topic sentence. It represents our main idea. You need to remember, you should always begin with a strong hook to let the readers know what the paragraph is about. Next, we have our burger patty, cheese, and other toppings, such as the lettuce, the tomatoes, and whatnot. All these are the supporting details. They support the main idea by providing evidence and examples. The supporting details also use transitional words in sentences. Lastly, we have our bottom bun. This is the conclusion of our paragraph. This concluding sentence refers to the topic sentence and sums up the main idea of your paragraph. Now let's take a look at one example of a body paragraph using the hamburger model. Okay, the top bun represents the topic sentence. As you all know, the topic sentence is always the very first sentence of your body paragraph, and it simply tells what your paragraph is going to be about. So in this example, the topic sentence is, "There are many reasons that I love to teach." So in this body paragraph, basically, you will be discussing the reasons why you love to teach. Okay, following the top bun or the topic sentence would be the first detail of your body paragraph or the lettuce that you put in your hamburger. Alright, so the first detail should not be the most important detail. Alright, it needs to support the topic by providing a detailed explanation or example. So as you can see in this example, first of all, I love to teach because I love being at school. So the first reason of this author is because she loves being at school. And the next one would be the second detail. Alright, so if you look at the hamburger, after the lettuce, you would have tomato. Okay, so the second detail still should not be the most important detail in your body paragraph. It normally provides further support with a new detail or example. Okay, let's take a look at this example, the sentence. Another reason I love teaching is that the days go by quickly. So this sentence, the writer or the author gave another reason why she loves teaching. So the reason is that the days go by quickly. As you can see in this sentence, the writer uses transitional word like another reason. The word another is a transitional word. Okay, moving on to the next part of the hamburger. After you have put the lettuce, the tomato, you might want to have or to put some cheese on it, right? Okay, so this is going to be the third detail in your body paragraph. So normally the third detail is still not be the most important detail. It continues to support the topic with another detail, explanation, or example. So the sentence is, a third reason I love to teach is because I love seeing a student understand something new. So that is the third reason or another reason why the writer loves to teach. And the next layer of your hamburger would be the meat or the patty. Okay, and it represents the last detail in your body paragraph. Okay, finally, this is like the most important detail that you need to include in your body paragraph, and it is normally the strongest piece of evidence to support the topic sentence. So what is the sentence? Look at this sentence. Finally, I love to teach because I love to be around kids. So this is the last important detail, why the writer loves to teach. Okay, so the reason is because she loves to be around kids. And now we have come to the bottom bun on the last part of the hamburger, the last layer of the hamburger, that is the bottom bun that represents the concluding sentence. This concluding sentence should look similar to the topic sentence that you have at the beginning of your body paragraph, but it needs to summarize the topic. Okay, it also needs to be an obvious end to that particular paragraph. So in this example, the concluding sentence is, these are just a few reasons I love to teach. So you can see the concluding sentence looks quite similar to the topic sentence. There are many reasons that I love to teach. The meaning is still the same. It's just that the writer used different words, different sentence to convey the same meaning. So guys, before we end, let's recap what you have learned today. What makes a body paragraph effective? You should have a topic sentence that states the main point of the paragraph. You should also have supporting sentences with details and specific examples as proof of your point. Don't forget to include logical, coherent thoughts that are developed in order from one sentence to the next. And last but not least, you must have a concluding sentence that wraps up the point of the paragraph. So that's all from me now. Thank you very much for watching and have a nice day ahead. Bye.